Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, or afternoon. Welcome back to the channel, and my name is Gigo. And today we are at the Hill project, which is six apartments which we are constructing for one of our subscribers here on the channel. And in today's video, we begin with the steel works. Steel is widely used in construction in Ghana, particularly for structures components such as columns, beams, and trusses. Steel offers several advantages over other building materials such as wood and concrete, including a high strength to weight ratio, durability, and fire resistance. And this makes it one of the most essential components in construction. That's why we don't cut down cost here. We don't play with the quantity that is needed for a particular job, because this forms the body framework of the whole structure that provide the necessary support for the structure.
Yes, we are here on Monday, Easter Monday. You know it's holiday, but we are here. We made a little coming here because we have a certain job doing somewhere where we're supposed to be here, but we touched that one. The road delayed a little and we touched that one before this one came. So anything we touch, we finish before move to the other. Yeah, so bending is in progress here now. This is the preparation. So we have everything available here now. Everyone is on board. Straighten have started. People bend the road and take money, and we are also straightening it and take money. It's not easy. Open all your macho. You cannot fit the road.
So later in this video, we'll be looking at some of the benefits of using steel iron rods binding. We'll also look at types of steel iron rod we're using for this project. Also some proper installation techniques. We'll also look at the requirements used, for the diameters and also spacing and placing of the iron rods, some maintenance, alternative methods of binding, and also we'll look at some cost consideration, when it comes to decking in Ghana. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you might consider subscribing to the channel now, like the video, and let's learn together.
Yaro. Yaro when you are shiro. And that yes, I will favorite video now. Subscribe it.
So if you've paid attention from the beginning, you realize or notice that the guys keep, straightening the iron rods. They do, their best to keep the iron rod in a straight form. Even though they did, there's one guy down there doing it. This guy will also do it just to check, double check, and cross check. Make sure that everything is straight and it's in line. Even though, some of the iron rods we are dealing with 20 mm and 16 mm, and these are high tensile, so it's very difficult to burn it. They do their best, to keep it straight. It is very important to straighten the iron rods before placing them in the slab, because the straightness of the iron rods affects the structure integrity of the slab. And that's when it comes to the load distribution, the even spacing, and the alignment of the slabs. It is crucial for ensuring the structural safety of the building. It helps to ensure that the slab is properly supported, evenly loaded, and leveled, which can prevent potential problems like cracking, bending, or even collapsing the slab. I mean, if the iron rods are not straight, how do you get the spacing and the measurement right?
This is 20 mm and it's high tensile. And you know it's high high tensile is more stronger than the milestone. The strength lies 2.4, and the strength of the high tensile is ranging around 2.4, and then the milestone 1.7. So you can see the differences so much. You requested for the milestone, but the high tensile have been brought, so at least it's going to reduce the quantity at which we schedule it to be. Yes, that's it. Yes, we are wrapping up for the day. So this is the packing process.
So at the end of the day, we make sure that the remaining materials which we didn't need for the day are being, packed at the right place, to ensure safety and also theft. So as you can see, that's a neat job done. We keep the site clean, safety first always. So that's one thing about these steel benders. Yeah, their work is really neat, and you will see that in my upcoming videos. After laying all the bars, you see very neat work, the spacing, measurement. They take those things very, 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 very serious. So that was it. At the end of the day, they have to make sure that everything is, kept at the right place, and that's one thing about the production group. So if you are planning of starting with your project and you don't have a team yet, you might, consider, using this production group. We are a group of, like companies, small construction companies that have come together
Now start
to
our work.
form, a production group.
This is the place. The guys are working. We'll try to do a very good work for our customer to see, to get us more work. So after closing, we'll give you another update by the closing of the day. We see the guys tighting. She was tighting. Another guy too is placing our machine, the cutting machine. We are waiting for some apparatus to set up our machine. So as you can see, we are working at Bojo Beach, near Kasua location. This our iron rods. We have here on 20, 16, then 12 mm, and then 10 mm. Yeah, these are the types of iron rod that we are using now. Iron 20, 16 mm, 12 mm, and 10 mm. With our burning wire, the one that we used to tight our beams. You can see our cinema. You can see our groups working very hard. They are hard boys, serious guys. By the close of the day, or by the finishing of this work, you see what we can do. I love it. This mama, my master with that. My master bossing himself, uh, bossing himself. Yeah, my guys are there. Our beam, the 20 mm, the bottom bar is 620 and the top bar is 20 bar. After that, we add another tension bar, yeah, at the down to straighten the down. So
Hello viewers, good evening. We are taking you on a journey. It's another construction of a story building and we are on the Aplau mountains. So as you can see, we are on the beams. That's the guys over there, that guys. Over there we deal with the quality. We do quality work. So that's the main beam. And it's a step down project though. So let me take you to the guys. So over here is Justice. Another hardworking guy. We have Gospel over here. Yeah, Gospel. And also we have Wisdom. It's a step down project. So viewers watching this video, after watching this video, make sure you leave your comments below. And also, you can contact the number below in case of any story building. We are available. Anything iron, we are in.
So this brings us to the end of today's episode, which is the Steelworks, the beginning of it. So you can check out the view, you will get from this apartment in the future. So as I said earlier on, if you are interested in, in renting an apartment in the future, this is a location for you, especially for your holidays, as you have the beach close by and it's not far from the capital city. So it's also close to central region. So it's a very good location actually, to have an apartment, which is an investment right here, which is in between two major cities. You have the capital city and also, a major city here in Ghana, which is at the coast side. So if you're considering of moving to Ghana, maybe in 2 or 3 years time, this is a project for you to consider. And you can see whatever is going into the project right here, so your safety is secured. So in my next episode, we will talk about the beams. We'll go more details about the beams, the top bar, the slab bars, the space in between, and also some stuff we'll put in there to absorb shocks, and vibration, which are the hidden beams. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Follow this project by going to my playlist and going to the Hill project. You'll see from the beginning till wherever we will get to. Thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent on the channel, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's do it.
Subscribe. Now subscribe you should like it.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home.